Hey, this is LaRon's Trading Playbook. I am LaRon, and this is the Operator Morning Brief. Here we track two things: bias, where price is headed, and narrative, the path price takes to get there. Educational purposes only, not financial advice. Here today, we cover the news, we cover macro, and we cover futures. So let's jump into the news, shall we? So nothing, no high impact news drivers today. Not really expecting anything too extravagant in price action. Pretty much same thing as yesterday, and I'm expecting the same tomorrow. Before we move on, if consistency is your leak, scan the QR code, join the Trading Playbook Discord, post your plan, get feedback, and run the liquidity rate model with me. Moving on. So, today, let's check out Dixie. I like the price action here today. I was expecting buy price to reach up into the previous week's high. That's pretty much my draw on the week. We did gap down yesterday. We recovered some ground, retested this daily fair inverse fair value gap. We got some support there, moved higher, and now we are trading above the new week opening gap. So I'm expecting what I want to see is price stay above the new week opening gap and reach up into these old highs here, dig into these old stops. It's looking like we may very well get that, but we will have to see. I do like this price action here. Let's zoom into the 1 hour really quick. So yeah, we did come down, take out these stops. We are struggling to get back above this high here. Honestly, I would prefer to actually see price come down and take out the sell side before going to the buy side. Before running the buy side. And yeah, that's pretty much it on that. I I am somewhat bullish on equities, but with the dollar being bullish, mm, it, it, I'm expecting higher resistance to the upside in indices. So I'm expecting larger retracements, and it's important that you factor that into your trading when, um, you know, trading futures, right? So let's move on to euro dollar. Euro dollar is pretty much looking the same. Um, we, we gapped up this week, came up, tested, hit this order block here, and rejected. Prices went down. We are trading within the new week opening gap here. Um, so I'm not. It's not what I want to see. Would like to see price come down here, take out these weekly relative equal lows. Um, but it's not looking. The price action here isn't um, negating anything in my analysis here. So we came up into this inefficiency, rejected, went below the new week opening gap, and now we're trading within it. I would prefer to have seen price trading below the new week opening gap, but we'll see how price closes today. I would like to see us see the price close below these lows here today. but we shall see. And 10-year yields did gap down how I want to see and take. Did we take out these lows? No, we formed relative equal lows, didn't dig too far down below these lows here. I would like us to continue the downtrend. I would like to see price continue lower prices, get below these lows here, and eventually traverse down to this area and retest this 1 month order block. Um, looks like a lot of money is flowing, capital is flowing into the dollar. People are seeking safety during these times. People aren't um, entirely too bullish on equities at this time. It's a lot going on. We're waiting to just wait and see how the economy plays out. We're in an AI bubble, and nobody wants to be holding the bag when the bubble pops, right? So let's move on to equities and see how um, this this micro price action is affecting it. So we have, let's look at Nasdaq really quick here, and let's go up to the daily time frame. So we are still consolidating within the between this daily high and daily low. I would have liked to see price break down a little further, um, and then recover back into this range, but we didn't get that. So I am what I want to see is price take out this low a little more aggressively and retrace back into the range and eventually come out and take out these highs. We don't necessarily have to do that exactly, but that is what I would like to see. Let's move down to the 4 hour here. Really not much to see. We're stuck within this range. Let's see what the 1 hour is giving us. Um, so I did like this morning. Um, on the 30 minute, we did have a pretty nice size fair value gap. NQ didn't hit it, but as you can see, the S&P did hit that fair value gap, and we got some nice bullish momentum after coming in contact with that. But I still would like to see price come down below these lows here. We don't necessarily have to do that today, but it is what I would prefer to see before price moves higher. Because if we just move higher now, I'm gonna assume that price wants to hang out in this range a little longer. Because if we take out the buy side, the daily high, this old daily high, um, before significantly purging this low, I'm gonna assume that we're probably gonna come back down into the range. So yeah, I would prefer to us take out this side, and I'll be more confident in the continuation of a more significant bull trend. Honestly, let me zoom back out. Really would like price to come back down and take and retest this 1 week bullish order block, but and then move to higher prices. But we may or may not get that. We have to see. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with NQ today. Hold on, let me see. Let's get some levels here. I'm looking at this level here. this 2477.61 level, and as the London rate session low, I'm looking at 24,869 as the London rate session high. And until we break out of either side of this, I wouldn't be interested in taking any trades at this time. We're in the middle of that range here, so until we get outside of that range, I wouldn't be looking to do anything. Same thing with ES. Like I say, same analysis, different personality. ES is pretty much the same, but I do think that the price action on ES is a lot cleaner. So during times like this, I would probably opt for trading ES rather than NQ. You know, always opt for cleaner price action, especially when we're trading inside these tighter ranges and high resistance, low probability liquidity runs like we've been getting lately. Gold is we're kind of just consolidating. Dollar is somewhat bullish. Interest rates are bearish right now. Dollar is bullish, so gold is just consolidating within this range. If until we get below this low or above this old high, I wouldn't be looking to do anything. Or you can, if you're a little more, you could use this range here. What time is that? Yeah, Asia. Let's see. Asia session high and low. Until we break out of that range, I wouldn't be looking to do anything with gold. If we break out of the range pretty aggressively and form a reversal pattern, I'd target the opposing side liquidity. I would like to see it break to the downside and then head to above this 4-hour buy side liquidity here. But until we do that, I wouldn't be looking to do anything. So with the bias met and levels sufficiently given here. Hold on. If you want a mental edge each week, scan the QR code and join my newsletter. It's free. And yeah, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for listening. Shalom, shalom.